Good morning, everyone. I bet you are surprised, maybe happy to hear my voice. So we are going to go over a couple of questions from the homework today. I'm going to do one of the ones where you actually have to draw the box and whisker plot, and then I'm also going to do one where they already have the box and whisker plot drawn for you and you have to pull the information from it. All right, so first thing you're going to do, number one, you need to put them in numerical order from least to greatest, right? So that way we can pull this information that they're asking for on the side. So the minimum number, that means the least number for this one is 5. And then it says, what's the lower quartile? The lower quartile, well, let's do maximum. Skip quartiles for a minute. Maximum is 22. The median, that's the number that's dead in the middle. Now this one is a little harder to figure out, but what you do is I count off until I get to the middle. And it would seem when I get to the middle of this one, there are actually two numbers. So then you take the average of those, or what's called the mean. You did those in measures of central tendency. So you add them together and divide by 2. So 14 plus 15 is 29. Half of 29 is 14.5. So that's my median. All right, then my lower quartile is based on the median of the first set of numbers. So I'm going to go 1, 1, 1, 1, and then that says my lower quartile is 10. And then my upper quartile, I do the exact same thing. 1, 1, 1, 1. So my upper quartile is 18. Now looking at these numbers, how do I know how to number my line from my box and whisker? I'm going to go by 2s because it looks like most everything is pretty even. So I'm going to go, we're going to start with 0. 0, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, until we get to, we run out of dashes. 20, 22, 24, 26, 28, 30. Even though we don't have to go that far, that's where we're going. All right, so then let's mark all of our important data. So it says our median was 5. Our minimum was 5, not median, minimum was 5. That's halfway between 4 and 6. Our lower quartile starts at 10. Our median, is between 14 and 15, which would mean it's like right about here because it's got to be between 14 and 15. All right, then 18, and then our maximum was 22. So then we draw our box around our three that are in the center. This is going to look pretty awful for a second. There we go. Probably need to realign my dots, but it's okay. And then we draw a line through our median. That's our box. And then our whiskers just come here. And that's it. That's all you have to do. So you're looking for these 5 pieces of information, and then you plot them on the box and whiskers. Okay, now moving on to the next thing. This one that's already done for you, but it's asking for your information. It's asking you 3 questions in this one. I think all of them are 3 questions except for the last one. So 3 parts. What is the inner quartile range? That's this part right here, right? Inner quartile range. You take the maximum, which is 28, and subtract the lower part of the quartile. So you take the upper quartile and subtract the lower quartile. So your range is 6. Then it asks you for what percentage of the players are at least 25 years old? Well, 25 was the median. So remember, quartile, think about it. Quarter is 4, right? What is a fourth of 100%? It's 25%, right? So 1, 2, so that's 25. 50% of the players are over 25, or at least 25 years or older. All right, and then the last question, how many players are no more than 28 years old? So that means you're looking at the 28. It says there are 36 players. 36, not 26. 36 players times how many of them, how many quartiles are below that? So 1, 2, 3. That's 75%. 3 times 25 is 75. So multiply that by 0.75, and hold on, I forgot that off the top of my head. 27 players. So 27 players are less than 28 years old. Okay, so that's all you're doing today. You're going to do the other 5 questions on the sheet. I do get that there are more parts, so there's a little more than 7 questions, but I've done quite a few for you, and hopefully that'll help you get the rest of the questions answered.